Hey guys, this is Arnab Debnath and today I am going to show you how you can make a digital clock in your terminal. Okay, so at first I make a C file clock.c. So at first I include the standard IO file, header file, also include the time library, also include the standard library. Okay, so at first write down the main function. So at first we need the time from the system. Okay, so I make three variables h r s. As you can see, the h integer contains the hour, m integer contains the m minute, and s will be the second. So I use a data type from time library, also make a infinity loop. Another data type and initialize with the time function. It will keep the current Unix time stamp. Okay, then I passing the value with a local time function. In the TM structure there are current, hour, minute, seconds and etc. So I initialize the h with TM m. So let's check it out if it is work or not. After this we will change it in formatted. Uh, After printing it we need a break for another print. I use the sleep function. It will stop the program for 1 second, in infinite every 1 second. I run it. As you can see, it is working. So after every print we need to clear our terminal. So there are a inbuilt function in standard library. There are inbuilt function in standard library called system. It will just run the command. So inside this I use clear because I am using Linux operating system. You can use another. As you can see, after printing it is clearing the screen. So now we get the time, current time. So we need to print is in a formatted way. So I made a function. It is show time. It will take three integers and pass it with hour, minute, second. So let's define the function. Okay, so let's go to the computer screen. We need to do something in there to format the to get a formatted output. So let's go to the computer screen. Okay, I am in my desktop and open the file path where my C files here. So here I open my terminal and make a file. I used 8.txt, so we will make 8.txt a 8, because as you can see in real life digital clock we can make every digit with 8. Okay, so in this technique we will make same thing. So I open a CUI terminal text editor. Okay, so let's consider we need the digit width of 15 and height of 10. So let's make it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. In this way you need to make it. You can imagine how I am making the 8 using 8 digit. In this way we need to make every character. Okay, complete. Let's check the height. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, the height of the digit is 10 and width is 15. 1 2 3. I already checked. Okay, let's save it. So let's copy it for every file. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9. Okay, I need to rename it like 1.2x2.3. so I am skipping it. So I rename all the files. So after it I need to open terminal and need to change every file. So let's change 3. As you can see it is copy of 8. So to make 3 we need to change these things. Okay, as you can see it is ready 3. So in this way you need to change every file. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Okay, you need to change every file just like that. After this I save the file and close the terminal. Oh sorry, I need to open the terminal again. So after this we need to make a colon, a file for colon. Okay, so I name it col.txt and open it. So let's think the width of the column is 3. Before we set the value of a digit is 10, so height is constant for everything. So I made 1 2 3 4 5. Column is ready. Let's check the height. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, ready. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, ready. In this way you need to make a column. Remember, always constant the height. You can change the width but not the height. width of every character. Okay, width of every character should be constant and height of everything should be constant. You can change the width of column, this does not matter. So clear the terminal. So after this you need to do this. So let's open the 3.txt. Okay, after doing this you need to remove all the new line like that. Okay, for every file. Okay, as you can see I have removed all the new line and make it in a single line. Okay, as I know after 15 digits when I add a new line it will make a 3. You need to do it for every digit. Okay, so I am skipping it and go to skipping it. So after doing it you need to open every file and need to copy it. After copying it you need to open VS Code or where you edit the code. So I came back to my VS Code. After it you need to make a character array for every digit and colon. Okay, so I make a character array, let's make 2 because last time I copied 2 and paste it here like that. Remember at the end of array there should not be any new line like that, it is invalid. Just do it. Okay, in this way you need to copy every character like char1 and copy the text from the file char2 I already made, and also the column. Okay, char col also the column. So I am skipping it and after copying it I am resuming the recording. So after copying pasting this looks like that. So after doing it, okay, I already copy and paste all the text files in there. So after copying it we need to initialize some global variables. It is useful in program. So you make a variable height. It will be the height of digit. So in text file we made the height is 10. Okay, int width we also make the width of 15. Also the colon width we make the colon width is 3. Okay, we have done it. It will work, it will help us in my program, the function. Okay, so I have all the character arrays of digits. So at first I run a for loop. So it will loop for the number of heights. So I made a mistake. Don't know what mistake I have done. Probably the okay. After doing it I need to print a new line. Okay, I also okay. After doing it I need to extract the every digit. Okay, like there are 6 digit in a digital clock. One for hour there are 2, for minute there are 2, and for the second there are 2. So we need to separate every digit. So let's h2 our is h percentage 10 modulus 10, and h1 is equals to h by 10, just like m2 is equals to m modulus 10. So let's check if it is work or not. H1, H2, M1, S1. Okay, let's run it. As you can see, we have successfully separated every digit. So we need to manually print it, automatically, using another for loop, because there are 6 digits. So I make another loop of 6 times. So let's make another variable integer and another character array of CC. So we need to check which integer we need to print for every time. So let's make a switch case statement for j. Because of there are 6. Case 1 break, case 2 break, case 3 break, case 4. You can copy paste it down. Oh, there should be a case 0, because when the value of j is 0, so when the value of k of 0, we need to print a h1, the first digit of our. So tmp is equals to h1 when it is 1, tmp is to h2, tmp is to m1, tmp is to m2. So we have successfully separated everything. So we need to make another switch case statement for the temp. So when the value of 1, so now I will copy paste it. I don't know what problem I have done. 2, 3, 4, 5, 0. There are only 10 digits, so it is extra. I have removed it. So when the value of temp is equals to 0, then cc is equals to 1. 1 2 cc equals to 2. cc equals to 3. cc equals to 4. cc is equals to 5. cc is equals to 6. In this way, initialize every wire. Oh, sorry, it should be 0 because there are, I copied the same thing. Okay, now we have the cc variable where the perfect character array stores. So let's make another for loop for the width. Okay, because now, oh sorry, I have mentioned j. Let's print %c. Now I will print the cc of I plus k. It is the formula for printing. I have found it. You can also check it how it is work, because there are not enough time to explain it. As you can see, it is working, but there are a problem that there should be some gaps between it. So I need to make a gap between it when a new line starts. After every printing character, after printing every character, we need to white space, print two white space. As you can see, it is working fine. 7:25 p.m. So we need to make column between hour and minute, and also minute and second. So to do this, we need to print the column also. So when the value of j is 2, remember, when the value of j is 2, then it will print that m1. Okay, so we need to do it here, and when the value of j is 4 here. So let's check if j is equals to 2 or j is equals to 4. We need to print the column. So I also let's use another variable, whenever said colon width. Okay, because we here we printing the column without doing anything. Let's just print it. I initialize the colon using COL. Okay, COL, just like that. We I into colon width plus z. Okay, after printing the colon, we need two white space, as you can see. So let's run it. There was some warnings. Okay, no problem, it is working. compiler also automatically fix that. uh, as you can see, it is working fine, so fine. So I need to shift it in middle of my screen. So let's print some new line when before printing everything. So when I came to my screen, show time function, and just print some new lines, 3 lines. Okay, let's run it again. There was some warnings, but as you can see, it is working fine. So in this way you can make it. uh, I can also set a color of it. It is working on Linux and Windows. You can search on the internet how to set colors of text in C or anything terminal, then you can try. So thanks for watching these videos. If you like it, please subscribe, and the source code of the code, sorry, thanks for viewing the video. uh, you can subscribe if you like it. Also share with your friends. You will get the source code on my GitHub. It is live on there. There will another versions and modified higher versions will be uploaded there. So bye bye.